Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're diving into the No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Skincare Set. This three-piece set is to address the visible signs of sun damage, a concern we all deal with, especially as we age. It includes a face serum, day cream with SPF 25, and a night cream, each formulated to reverse sun damage in their own unique way. But does it really live up to the promise? Let's find out. Let's break down what's in this set. The No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Face Serum is the star of the show here, using a groundbreaking peptide technology to target visible sun damage and support the skin's natural repair process. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy, which makes it suitable even for sensitive skin. The Future Renew Day Cream offers SPF 25 for daytime protection against harmful UV rays, which we know are the main cause of premature skin aging. It also hydrates and gives the skin a healthy glow. Finally, the Future Renew Night Cream is a hydrating moisturizer meant for dry or uneven skin tones, working overnight to restore and rejuvenate with that same peptide technology. Now let's talk about how these products performed in real-world testing. The serum absorbed quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a big plus for anyone who dislikes sticky, heavy skincare. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it feels refreshing on the skin, with no irritation at all. The day cream, with SPF 25, gave me some peace of mind while I was out in the sun. I noticed that it didn't feel heavy like some day creams with sunscreen often do. It's lightweight, and it didn't leave a white cast, which is a big win. As for the night cream, it was perfect for a hydrating night routine. My skin felt softer and plumper in the morning, which was a great way to start the day. But it's not all smooth sailing. The day cream could be a little richer in texture for those with dry skin, as it didn't feel as moisturizing as I would have liked on certain days. Also, while the serum is fantastic for brightening, I didn't see immediate results in terms of reversing sun damage, though it's likely a longer-term benefit. When it comes to pros and cons, let's start with the positives. The peptide technology is a big standout here, and all the products are lightweight, fast-absorbing, and suitable for sensitive skin. The day cream offers SPF protection, and the night cream does a solid job of hydrating. On the flip side, while the serum is great for brightening, the set as a whole might not offer enough intense moisture for very dry skin, especially in the day cream. And although the products claim to reverse sun damage, that's a gradual process that may require more time to see noticeable results. So how does this set measure up in terms of value for money? Considering that this is a premium skincare brand, the price is relatively justified. You're getting high-quality ingredients backed by science and a reputable brand. However, if you're looking for quicker fixes or more intensive treatments, there are other options out there at a lower price point. Still, for long-term skincare with sun damage in mind, this set holds its own. In comparison with other anti-aging sets, especially those focused on sun damage, No7's Future Renew lineup holds its own in terms of innovation with the peptide technology. The main competitors are often more expensive, but some may offer more targeted treatments for specific concerns, like wrinkles or hyperpigmentation. When it comes to build quality, these products are well packaged, and the pumps on the serum and day cream make for easy and hygienic application. The materials feel solid, and the designs are sleek and practical. I do wonder how the formula will hold up over time, especially in warmer climates. As for customer support, No7 has a long history of providing reliable customer service. I haven't personally interacted with them yet, but based on their reputation, I feel confident they'll take care of any issues that might arise. Now, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are a few brands offering peptide-infused serums and SPF day creams that could give you similar results at a lower cost. However, they may lack the same level of research-backed claims, which could be important if you're specifically looking to address sun damage. To wrap it up, the No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Skincare Set delivers on its promises in many ways, especially with the use of its advanced peptide technology. While it might not be the solution for super dry skin or quick results, it's an excellent option for those seeking gradual skin improvement with a focus on reversing sun damage. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for something gentle but effective, this set might be a great addition to your skincare routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future skincare tips and reviews here at Beautyistic. Thanks so much for watching. The link to grab the No7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Skincare Set will be in the comments box below. If you've already tried this set, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment. Goodbye till next time, and keep glowing with Beautyistic.